Request Mr. President to take a look at the agenda, but then to proceed to make his own remarks, and then we will continue with the meeting under your leadership, sir. Thank you.
First of all, thank God Almighty for all of us, and welcome you to this maiden Federal Executive Council meeting. Once again, congratulations to all of you for being confirmed to serve our motherland. It's a great commitment that you have for the country. Since the inauguration, being appointed as ministers is to become a servant of the people, for the people, and serving on behalf of the people. Nigeria expects a lot from all of us. I said during the inauguration, we have to make sure this country stay on the right path to succeed on behalf of over 200 million Nigerians. We have to. We willingly accepted the appointment. I accepted the mandate of the people. On behalf of delegated some of these powers to you to serve the country. You are a very lucky, respected few Nigerians among millions who enjoy the opportunity to show that Nigeria has what it takes to dig ourselves out of problems. We must find an homegrown re-engineering of our finances and manage our resources and let the economy work for the people of this country. There are so many things that some of cynicals will say may be impossible. But in your dictionary of service, everything is possible and must be possible. We have the talent, you have the level of intellectual capacity to turn this country around. You and I know that, yes, the expectation is high, and there's a tough time right now. We must work hard, commit ourselves and create a buoyant economy that will serve every Nigerian. Every Nigerian. We have unemployment that is a level that is not acceptable. We are threatened by climate changes. You still have underemployment. But to turn things around, you have been selected to perform your utmost best. The policy agenda will be set to reform the economy to deliver sustainable and inclusive growth, strengthen national security for peace and prosperity. Without security, there can be no investment. Yes, it's true. There's investment, and it's cowardly. They will not pursue you if you are in problems. You have to convince them. And the time is now to do that. And you look around the world, every leader is clamoring for what they believe should be their policies on food security. We have declared state of emergency. What is your goal? Every one of you is a member of this team. Every one of you. No partitioning. We can do whatever we want on the assignment of responsibility. But all depends on you that if you stay focused, we all will arrive at a better destination and the country will be better off for it. We must unlock the energy and natural resources of this country. We must start to produce for ourselves, dig ourselves out of the hole, focus on education, healthcare, make social investment that is essential for the development of our people. Our priority areas are defined in our economic programs. Every area is a priority, and you belong. In the driver's position to realize and make that priority a fulfilling promise to the entire nation and the continent of Africa. We must achieve the economic growth that is expected of us. We must feed our people. We must leverage on what we have. And grow more to satisfy Nigeria. It is all in your hand now. I'm ready to listen. Like I said to the NBA yesterday, I'm ready, even for corrections. Only God is perfect. Don't be afraid to take decisions. That's a problem of leadership. I know some of you are still looking for offices. I believe SGF and Chief of Staff and Head of Service will work as a team to settle you down quickly. But imagine yourself in this situation that you have been called upon to fetch water from a dry well. The challenge is there. We will deliver for Nigeria. Once again, I welcome all of you. And I'm happy to be the captain or the driver of this vehicle. Very proud of all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. President.